Hello again, YouTube. It's me, Brent. Before I sing, there's two things I want to share with you. One, I was at the Nashville International Airport the other day, and look who I ran into. Claire Bowen, a.k.a. Scarlett O'Connor from the TV show Nashville, and her fiancé, Brandon. And if you two are watching this, thank you for letting me take this picture of you. Second, I've got a recording session scheduled for the end of September, and after consulting with my mother and the guys at the recording studio, I have decided to put I've Been Around Enough to Know and Cherokee Fiddle on the back burner for right now and go ahead and record two different songs. They'll be a surprise. Now, today, I'm going to sing White Lightning by George Jones, but the version I'll be singing along to for this video is by Joe Diffie from the Beverly Hillbillies movie. Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy, and he had him a still. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down, then he'd fill him a jug and he'd pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing, white lightning. Well, the G-men, T-men, revenuers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. Well, I asked my old pappy why he called his brew White Lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took a little sip and right away I knew, as my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, thunder started crashing. White lightning. Well, the G-men, T-men, revenuers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. Well, now City Slicker came and he said, I'm tough. I think I'm gonna taste that powerful stuff. He took one plug and he drank it on down. I heard him moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty pleasing, happy's corn squeezing. White lightning. Well, the G-men, T-men, revenuers too, searching for a place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. White lightning. White lightning. There you have it. And remember, never give up. Until next time, I'll see you later.